What is up, guys? Let's go fishing back with another video, and today is going to be a video that I made like a month ago, but I'm going to start editing it now, and basically it's just me porgy fishing in the Long Island Sound. So hope you guys enjoy, so let's get into it right now. Sea robin, nice.
Chris got a sea robin.
I got it. Yeah. I got one too. Oh, I got one on. Oh, nice, Porgy. Oh. Yeah, one sec. Oh, whoa! That one. Oh, wow. Oh, oh. Oh, I got a shark too! Two sharks!
Watch. Look at this. We got a nursery of sharks. One Porgy. Oh, here comes the pool, Roger. Oh, look at this, Roger. Oh, man.
That one? Nice, Chris. Kid working.
That's right, boys. You gotta use worms.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yep. Porgy up on the worm. Beautiful.
No, bring him in, bring him. Oh yeah, that's out. Come on. That one feels. That one. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, easy. Let's not get crazy. Get the fish first, and then we'll get the tank. Whose fish?
Mine.
Is your bucket?
Yeah. Right here. Now shark's dead. Oh, Anthony. What happened? Did you catch?
I wouldn't. Go get him. I'll bring it up with the bird. We got a bird coming out.
Oh, damn.
Look at this.
Bring this up!
You see the pattern?
Whoa! Dad!
Hey, mate, can I have some water? That's the mate for water. The mate, can I have some water? Because I'm good here. How about you guys? I'm good here.
Yeah.
Bring him in, baby. Bring him in. Bring him in.
No, did it come off? Oh no, it's still on. What? No, I can do it. Every time you touch it, you always lose it. Oh my god! Yeah.
Way to go.
What?
Get him in.
Hey, we're down. Yes. Oh my god, already on! Oh my!
Oh, no, you're stuck on the bottom.
No, that was a fish though. No, it's still on.
It's still on? I don't think so.
No, it's still on. It's Is it still on? Oh yeah, I'm still on. Oh yeah.
That was your bucket, right?
Yeah. Or are you on? I'm on. Again. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one too. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Oh yeah. It feels light, but it feels big. Oh. Anthony. That's the fish finder. That's what we're working with. Okay, we're at another spot. Let's see if we can get a fish. Oh, fish on already. Yeah. Watch me work. That's mine.
Hold on. Wait a minute. You got it? No? Just drop it. Hurry up, baby.
Okay guys, so right here, or it's not right here, the last clip was probably like we had about like 2 more hours to fish, and all those 2 hours we were catching fish. We stayed out probably an extra like 30 minutes because we were doing so well. Actually, I ended up stopped recording after like an hour, so I probably have like an hour more footage left. Probably caught at least like 10 to 20 more fish in hour basically, and I mean we were literally killing it. And it's pretty much just gonna be the same thing, me just reeling in porgies, and it's dark, so you're not gonna get as much as like how it would if it was light. Like right now, you could see everything. Before next, it's just black, and I mean we were doing so well. Probably the whole boat, the whole boat probably caught a total of like 500 fish. We probably the whole boat probably kept like 400. I mean, these porgies were in strong, and we just had a great time doing it. So if you guys like this video, and if you guys want me to do a review on my rod and reel here, I will. If we can get like, let's see, like 5 likes on this video, I'll do a review on it just for like a video here and there. And hopefully this year I can do some ice fishing. I know next year in 2019 we have the striped bass season, the white sucker run, the trout stocking, bass, catfish, carp, everything. So next year now, today was just like, this year wasn't like an experimental year, and we're going to see if we can go out again. We're definitely going to, hopefully we're going to do some blackfishing to see, let's see how good they do on it. And that's going to be for today's video. So if you guys liked it, just leave a like, subscribe, and just turn on post notifications so you never miss out on one of my videos. So thank you guys all for watching. Let's go fishing out.